Now short how proceed intersection. So where you can fail. First of all, we're going from left side to left side. I should be there. Second, it's a little bit complicated intersection, but if you see green light, you go. But look here again. I go in from the left side and now I am on the right side. It's also I failed because you shouldn't change line on the intersection. So I show you where you can fail because I have no inspector close to me, it's only operator here, but in case inspector close to me, he tell me, listen, you going from left side to left side. So why you change it? You was on the left side and you apparently stay on the right side. Don't do that. Remember, from left side to left side, from right side to right side. Never change line in the intersection. Thank you. That's called driving in the traffic. So I show you probably failed in case you will perform this driving on the DMV road test, you will fail. So first of all, I'm standing and waiting red light change. I show that I intend to go left and nothing to do, here's only I can go left. Okay, so first of all, you're moving through the pedestrian stuff, and if you see pedestrians, you're moving, you fail. Now, I stand here and you see the car going left on me. So here's left turn short. In case you perform like you fail. Now, I'm moving here. Okay, I'm professional, but from you it's not supposed to move. If like you go in two-way street, you should go in the right side. In case you're going on the left side, like that, I go in on the left side. Plus, probably you didn't saw how I change line, but I will show you how you should not change line. So if I go in, show me. If I go in on the left side of the street, probably I would fail. Now I change line. Look here. I watch only mirror and move. You should change line. Show me. You should change line. You should show inspector what you're doing. Left mirror and over shoulder. Watch here. That's proper. How to do it. If not, I am now changing, not checking blind spot. The police standing there, so he can ticket me in case of I'm wrong. Okay, now I intend go left. And now you watch the good piece how to drive in the traffic. So, green light, I go in left, I see pedestrians, policeman. I show her, come in. She give me, thank you. And she show me that I'm good. Okay, thank you very much. Then, driving in the traffic, you should drive on the right line. Fails to drive on the right line, it's mean you fail. You get in points and at the end you fail. So many lines you should go on the right side. In case afterwards you should go left, you should change the line. Blind spot, left mirror, change the line. I did it now like professional, but to inspector, you should show how you do that. So left blinker, blind spot, left mirror, left blinker, left mirror, blind spot, left blinker, you go. Again, now we go in left. Show the intersection. So I come here and I come to the... Okay, thank you. I'll show you now how to do right turn, good right turn, from the one-way street to two-way street. Don't forget pedestrians. And you're going from the one-way street, from the middle of the street to the right side of the street. Remember, if you go into opposite side, over there a little bit like that, you fail. This is your fail. Okay, so from middle of the street to right side of the street, this is two-way street. If you go in to opposite side, you fail. Thank you. How we proceed in regular stop? I will show. Now we see street from both sides, it's parking there. So we approaching to intersection with stop, regular stop. So I come in here and it's good place. So I count 1, 2, 3, complete stop. Afterwards, I cannot watch on the right side, so I move slow until I can watch. So in case you scare and you see car coming and you standing here and afterwards you go in on the car, you will fail. In case you stand in long time, you will fail. You cannot stand here 2 hours. Thank you. Now we go in through intersection and doing left turn. How to do that? We should go on the middle of intersection. Now, meanwhile, the red light didn't change, so we should wait. And intersection clear, that is good. It's a good idea to put them first and afterwards. Now, light change, we go into intersection. And going left. What I did right now, I show that in my blind spot, the car. So if you fail to see that some car in your blind spot and moving toward to you, you should signal him and like take his attention. If you fail to do it, it's poor judgment on the intersection. Thank you. Now again intersection, and I will show you bad right turn on the intersection. So I approach into intersection, all the way I go in straight, and now here's, by the way, bad place. So I show that I go in right and I'm very close to curb. I so close that I can bump it. You see, I can bump it. So don't do like that. It's called, I really bump it. So it's called short right turn. Now I show you wide right turn. Again, I approach the intersection, like maintain your speed, not going more than 25 miles per hour. And watch pedestrians, they can jump. Again, now I will do, yeah, look what he's doing. He probably failed his test and probably pay for that, but I don't know. Now I do, okay, I cannot go here, right, I'm sorry. Okay, thank you. We're approaching the intersection and I show you the proper right turn. We see here people working, so it's allowed to come in this way and going over them. So we come in 25 miles per hour, and I show you the short right turn. So first of all, 100 feet before intersection, show signal, and this is short turn. What means short turn? Very close to curb. Very close to curb. It's bad because you can hit the car on the parking here, and you can hit the pedestrians, whatever. Some pedestrians waiting for car passing and standing not on the side, standing on the side of the road, so it's danger. The wide turn, I will show you after the light change, the right wide turn. So meanwhile we can stop. Okay, now then the light change, I will show you wide turn. Again, in this situation, maybe wide turn is appropriate because right line is bus line. But in regular situation, this turn will be illegal and you get 10 points. This is wide turn. We come in very far and we come in on the left line on the road, and afterwards we should come back. By the way, then you coming back, you change the line. So you should show how you change the line, you should signal. That's it. Show me. You saw the approach intersection, turns short and wide from both sides, left and right. And now we're going to another topic. Thank you.